Aztec Mobile Screen introduces the Recycling Series screening plant. ProSizer 2612V is the complete solution for processing wrap millings for the asphalt producer. This closed-circuit mobile plant incorporates a double-deck 12-foot PEP VariVibe high-frequency screen in a closed circuit with a horizontal shaft impactor. It also has onboard stacking conveyors to stockpile the chips and fines. This plant comes equipped with a 12 cubic yard feed hopper and variable speed feeder belt for better processing control. The wrap is delivered to the PEP screen where separation takes place, and the oversized material is returned to the onboard horizontal shaft impact crusher for further processing, and then it is returned to the VariVibe screen for further screening. The high-power diesel engine is designed for efficient and low-emission operation while powering all screen plant functions. As with all of our screening units, it has centralized grease points and all controls are accessible from ground level for operation and routine maintenance. The principle behind the ProSizer is to fractionate or size wrap material back to its original size. This allows a producer to use higher wrap percentages in hot mix designs and replace virgin aggregates and asphalt emulsion. Wrap fines have twice as much AC content as ½ inch by ¼ inch and 4 times as much as ¾ inches by ½ inch wrap. The ProSizer is the only self-contained plant on the market today designed to fractionate wrap with a high-frequency screen. Fractionating wrap allows for higher percentages of wrap in hot mix designs. Start realizing serious material savings and fast payback today by using a ProSizer.